See what they look like. First and foremost, we do have a new intake horn with a grid heater delete. Everything come in just whatever they had, because we will strip these off and powder coat them to match the truck. You guys know I have the Illusion Raspberry on there right now, so we're gonna do maybe this plate in black, and then we're gonna do ELABs. This is a complete grid heater delete kit with intake horn and plenum plate. You do get some gaskets in there as well. You get all the necessary harness for your EGR valve or anything like that. I did from Black Market Performance, they have the grid heater coil. So when I do away with the grid heater plate that's factory in the truck because of that bolt is deleted, we are going to have to add the block off plate for the top. And then I do have the butterfly as well. So all this stuff will be deleted. I noticed your grid heater right in here, which I think I like that better, because this still is sitting right over top of your intake plenum. So if something falls off of this, it's still going down in your engine, just like, you know, you're doing this for a reason. With this right here, if something falls off, it's still going down inside your engine, and most of the times plate that goes in between here and here. So I do like that option a lot better.